Alright, so I think I'm recording. We're looking at our semester review problems, and here in this problem we're looking at rational functions. A rational function is a ratio of polynomial functions, and we typically have a lot of properties and characteristics of rational functions that we want to work through. So what I always do is to factor these. I notice in the numerator that x is common to every term, so I factor an x out. Then I've got x squared plus 3x plus 2, and that factors to x plus 2 times x plus 1, and then x plus 2 here in the denominator. So I know that the reduced function is going to be x times x plus 1 because the x plus 2's cancel. Alright, so it's just going to look like a parabola. It wants me to find the vertical asymptotes. Well, with this canceling, there is no variable left in the denominator, so there is no vertical asymptote. And for horizontal asymptotes, we compare the degree of the numerator against the degree of the denominator. The degree of the numerator is 3, the degree of the denominator is 1, so it's top heavy. So there is no horizontal asymptote. And it's asking for x-intercepts and y-intercepts. To find the x-intercept, we let y equal 0. And we want to be careful not to call a whole an x-intercept, so we look at the reduced, we look at this. So it has intercepts at the origin because 0 times anything, and also at -1. So we've got 2 x-intercepts and of course if it 0 is an x-intercept, then it's also a y-intercept, and a function only has one y-intercept. If it had more than one y-intercept, it would fail the vertical line test and not be a function. Now, another way that you can determine that is to plug in 0 into the function, and if we do that, we got 0 in the numerator divided by 2, and 0 divided by 2 is 0. So we do have a hole in the graph because we had this factor of x plus 2 cancel. So let's see what the coordinates of the hole is. My hole, Kevin Pollak is on the Bob and Tom show right now, so -2 is the x coordinate, and if we plug in -2 into the reduced function, then we've got -2 times -2 plus 1, which is -1, so that's a +2, and now we found the hole. So I hope that helps, and if you get a chance to, on YouTube, Google or search for Kevin Pollak and because they're fast, just that probably bring it up. So I don't want to give away the punchline, but maybe I just did. Anyway, talk to you later. Bye.